耶！我们的 Boox 来了，我已经把它的外壳拿出来，我来把这个调一下，看看这样看不看得清楚。我把它外壳拿出来了，好漂亮哦！它这个外壳这边可以弄笔，然后里面有给你就是多2块，摆在这边保护，就是开关的时候保护它的那个 Boox。OK， 好，那我想说，我用英文好了，因为有些人买的好像只会英文。So this is the cover. These are the protective stickers that come with it. That's extra. So we're gonna put it on the side. It's really pretty. This is for the pen there, and then I already removed the outer cover for the book, so then it's easier for me to just show you guys like this. So we open it up, and then ta-da! We have the actual unit, and then you have to remove a plastic sleeve. So I'm gonna take that and remove the plastic sleeve carefully, or not carefully, it doesn't really matter. You're not gonna harm it anyway. Ta-da! So I wouldn't put your fingerprint all over this yet, only because I gave you guys the protective covers, the screen protectors. This is a good time for you to put that on, and make sure you dust off everything, which I'm going to do later. I'm going to put fingerprints all over mine just because I'm showing you guys how this is going to work. So slip that into the cover and press it down, and voila, that's it. So there you go. Very sleek, very small. The cover doesn't add, you know, a bunch of bulk to it. It's a very thin cover. Then you have this box where you have your charging cable, and then you have this other box where you have your manuals. And I'm trying to find the pen, which I think was in this box. It's just I missed it. Okay. This, and it is. It's in the box with your charging cable. There's the pen. This unit would be no good without the pen. Okay. Ta-da! So the pen goes there. And there you have it. We have unboxed our Boox. And this is the Note Pro, the new one. It's got, you know, it has a flush glass. You see there's no grooves in the glass. It's completely flush, and I can't wait to turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on in the next video because this is just unboxing. But if you close it, it has some, it doesn't have magnets, okay? So it's not gonna like kind of slurp on, sort of say, but it does have a sensor inside so that you could put it to sleep. So I'm going to turn it on now, and I'm going to start the next video.